General Huber, thank you very much for talking to us today here at Soldier Technology. I'm just going to ask you 3 or 4 questions relating to the Austrian soldier program and also your presentation earlier on today. What are your 3 biggest challenges or objectives for the next 12 months with the Austrian soldier program?
Well, the first object is that we will receive the funding in the program so that we can launch our Soldier 2015, as we call this program. The second one is that we are actively participating in the European Defence Agency program, and the third one is that we are looking for more cooperation nationally and internationally.
And in your presentation you mentioned that some of the key focus areas, one of which was health and the health of the soldier and sustainability for the soldier. What other 2 key focus areas should perhaps industry be aware of that programs like Austria are focusing on? What other 2 areas are there?
First, we are looking that all the equipment can be made lighter than it is now the fact. And the second is that we are very interested to examine the possibilities of health monitoring. So nanotechnology, which could be woven into the equipment or could be woven into the shirts, could help and give us a status of the soldier.
And in your role with the Austrian MoD, do you find that smaller suppliers often bring innovative products to you? What 3 products perhaps have you come across in the last 12 to 18 months that have been really innovative and have perhaps been considered to be implemented in the Austrian program?
Well, there's quite a big number of products. As I'm responsible for the requirements, I would like to say that I think small suppliers have the advantage that they can adapt more easily to the changing requirements of the armed forces, and therefore can be of great help to bring a program to the end. Because I'm not responsible for the acquisition, I will not touch any products itself.
And how would you say the troop drawdown, perhaps for Austrian troops in Kosovo, how is that going to affect soldier modernisers like you and your colleagues at the Austrian MoD?
Well, I hope not, because the next mission is more or less at the door. So I think soldier modernisation is a very valuable asset and program to prepare for the next mission. I'm sure that the future missions will be more demanding than the last mission have been. So I'm looking into the future very hopefully that we can conclude our program.
And finally, in your presentation today you mentioned that it's necessary to complement your own R&D, military off-the-shelf products, as well as commercial off-the-shelf products. Why do you think that's necessary?
Well, you know, in nearly every country I've spoken with representatives, we face the budget cuts, and therefore I think we should go out and see if there are already solutions available. And these solutions often come from commercial off-the-shelf products, and I think it's a very easy step, and by the way, a cheap step to integrate them into our soldier modernization program.
General Huber, thank you very much for talking to us today. Thank you.
It's my pleasure. Thank you.